Pasendran ngawayang Anei idang Dikang pahangawayutang Ale toho Tekitu kita Saya perlu ke Adur gi berkuat gede video. Inglannya gisar na condor gi. Satu. Welcome to my life.
Welcome to the new episode of
Pedeng Club.
last episode.
Waking munani wapulang tit. Wapun sabha.
Hari nanti. Lada yo pio kam ni le.
Apa ngai beba to tit nga emri je dak. Saya dulu tak lah.
Angat.
Tiku start by lecho gilok nai.
FB set. Dapat FB set. Lifestyle. Ikut saja lah. Pikirkan juga ni. Kau main kau.
Malu nasi. Ni.
Apa ni di sini ada inam kuda. Aku ni. Pada mempin army dapat kita.
In the 123rd episode of Mann Ki Baat, Portugal,
Oh, kini pandai
on
deh.
29 June 2025, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji highlighted Meghalaya's traditional heritage, also known as Pongal Moilokka. Under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri
Amrura
Narendra
kias
Modi,
terpinang.
the Government of India has placed traditional Pongal on the north. Whether through rail, and global market entry for Meghalaya's golden spike. The establishment of autonomy, package electricity, and ensures that Nakada companies become a global brand, benefiting thousands of farmers and businesses. It is a shining example of how intelligent and modern enterprise can come together and transform the livelihood of thousands. Among the flagship initiatives is the iconic tourist destination development project covering the Guwahati-Shillong-Kohra long-range circuit, which aims to transform Meghalaya into a global tourism hub by improving infrastructure, ecotourism facilities, homestays, and connectivity. It will enhance the tourist experience as a world-renowned site such as Kohra Tirapur and the living while ensuring the conservation of the Hazai ecosystem. The project also provides direct and indirect employment opportunities for the youth and strengthens the Meghalaya's global image as a with respect to Kakalan Nade was the chairman of this short meeting. So today, first of all, I would like to express my thankfulness to Dr. Sukanta Majumdar, who is the Minister of State of the Donors Government of India, who is chief guest of today's program or the medical besar SKH juga sorkar kalian sponsor impor yang di bagian langkah yang kita festival yang ini kan jauh dari ini kita cari kan yang ini kita kita bukan impor ikut day and then also I would like to present my government to Henry or the ABC to thank you so much guys for your presence here and also I would like to express my heart to program dari kelas dari nah itu por itu player kertang le yang lebih jauh besar dan koi pemain saja yang kan ada yang sempurna yang ini ya dari kelas ini itu semua yang player
Pora tak pora. Nak siapa tu? Nak pergi siapa tu? Nakut ke bedi kelam yang isnem arjar absan ate ulubani jar chnung de pelok hotel duan suk duan sain jar yung jar tem pi tiu blagana amlang pi ko yung wab ching system yo me dio pha ni ne hun ni bedi kelam nangia ya ate ulubani ya nya malam nya ma perlu kita apa ini video saya subscribe lah, beren kelam ngatur ikut kau yang Islam. Nyabi lisabi nyabi, dia dah nyak.
Ya, hitang makan telas semua.
Biar mirna bang busy lah mayo. Bang cara kita sundukan.
Lar, necanya lekam nyampat.
Saya kata tu, pelak ah kayo. Kata tu sumi liban baik ba, tema pelak ah. Baik, yang POV. Yo, pelak ah kau, hai. Bak na baik. Jadi Jepang lah yo. Bak ngebelok.